Alright, you go down the stairs, I'll go around. Yeah, I see it. He just hit me. Going back up towards Pill. Going towards. Now going back towards Pill, coming right to you. That's it. Hey.
My Lord and Savior.
I got him right here on the stairs.
Now this one not my fault. Listen. This one not my fault. You broke my, first of all, my shoulder broke.
We can walk upstairs to the hospital.
My shoulder is broke. I need cash or something, man. You know, broke my shoulder. So, which one was driving the white truck? You back here
EMS,
behind
we're
me?
on our way up.
You ain't see that nigga ran me over?
Copy that.
Yeah.
I think it was a pedestrian. He ran me over and kept going. Listen, putting a weapon up. I never had my weapon up. I don't know what you're talking about. Listen, Miss Beautiful, fuck these cops. Listen, he done broke my shoulder. I done fell down the stairs. My shoulder broke. I need some help.
Okay, sir. I got you.
I need some help.
And he got 30.
What's up? Now I done been shot. I need an ambulance. Hell no, I'm not alright. Just got shot like 4 times.
I'm coming from Postal 119. I'm on my way.
Which door are you coming to, EMS?